Hello and welcome. So, for my project-based learning project this year, I have focused on how can I make an online business. That's my driving question. So that's kind of what I've been researching. So I have found that there are 6 steps in making an online business. The first one being finding a product. So this is gonna really shape the rest of your business, as it will decide kind of what your possibilities are gonna be when adding new items to what you already have. And then you could also go into retailing, which is a whole different story that I don't have time for tonight. And then the next step is finding a platform to design the website on. So nowadays, that's very easy to actually design your storefront, because there's lots of websites to help you do it, like Squarespace and Shopify and WooCommerce and all these different ones. So for the school store, we used Squarespace because we think it's really good. You don't need to pay for a subscription, but you can we do actually, but that's so that we get less money subtracted from each of our sales that goes to Squarespace. And we also get some bonuses from it, like more people can work on the website at once. So yeah, that's the benefits of the subscription. And so back to the platform, you need to have a page. Right when they go to your business, they should see a front page that has photos of your of whatever you're selling, your product, and then it should have some information about you, about the business, about the product, to kind of build a connection. And then the next step is formatting the platform to ease customer navigation. So this one's really, really important because you want to make it easy for them to buy your product, and then if they're not satisfied, refund it, return it, and then if they're having problems, be able to contact you or whoever might be the kind of customer service worker that you have. And they should also be able to easily change or look at the options for your product. So that's all really good stuff. So next is pricing. So pricing is really important because it dictates how much money you're going to take home at the end of the day. So if I make handmade earrings, then my time is put into them, and so my time is going to make them more expensive. Whereas something where I'm not actually spending that much time making it will generally be less expensive. But you also can't make things too expensive, because then they kind of think it's a rip-off. But if you make things far less expensive, then they might doubt the quality. So you really need to find a nice sweet spot. Next is advertising. So you need to let people know that you exist, and so that's really easy through posts on social media or going to local events, telling friends and family to spread the word, all sorts of things like that. And then the last step is finding a target audience. And so that's a not very essential step. I mean, it's very helpful, but not essential. It's pretty much if I was selling water bottles, everybody uses them, so I don't really need an audience for that. But if I'm selling handmade earrings that have a specific person on them from a TV show, I need to target people who have earrings, then people who watch that show, then people who like that character. And so then I would go to places where those kinds of people are, like at some sort of a Comic-Con event or something, and then I might be more likely to make sales there.
Good job. Yeah. All right. We'll see. We'll take a look. You have some graphs here of item popularity
And gross sales in the bottom.
Gross sales. How much have you earned so far?
Well, $1,050 have been spent on our products making orders.
Oh wow.
We do not take that home because we need to use that money to order hoodies or whatever our merchandise is. We got to order all of the clothing from a different company.
Do you know what your profit rate is?
I do not know.
You don't. So cool.
But I'll find out soon.
Yeah. What's your favorite idea so far that people have had for new products?
Ooh, I see rain gear on there now.
Yeah, that was Becky's idea.
Yeah, that's a great idea.
Indoor shoes is a pretty good one. Grippy socks.
Grippy socks, yeah.
Yeah, grippy socks.
Here's my idea. Learning Center grippy socks. getting this on film so I get
Yes.
credit for this.
Yes, absolutely.
So, green socks,
Okay.
yellow toe, yellow heel, white strip right here where you Sharpie your name on.
Oh.
Yeah, because if everybody gets
here has
them,
one.
yeah, yes.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
All right.
Or like a caterpillar.
Great, you heard it here
on, like,
first.
the
Dan's
top of your
idea.
foot right here.
All
I
right.
like the Sharpie
All right.
stock
Thanks,
for-
Connell.
Yeah,